In this video, I'll show you how you can crop an image into a circle on Canva. Now what you want to do is you want to head over to Elements, and from in here you want to press Frame. From in here you want to find the circle frame by clicking on Press All, See All. Once you have the circle frame in here, it's going to look exactly like this. You can also search for circle up here, go to Frames, and you'll find it in here. Then resize it however you want. Then what you want to do is upload any kind of picture. I'll just use this one, and you can simply drag it in here. Now as you can see, it will now be exact circle. You can do another picture, and as you can see, it will be cropped into a circle. Now if, let's say, you want to reposition the picture a little bit, you can double click and you can choose it like this. Let's say you only want this part, it will look like that. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now, like I said, you can make the circle bigger or smaller if you want, just like this. And that's how it works. After that, simply press share, download, then you can download it for whatever you want. It's PNG file, JPG, PDF, or any of these. Press download and you will now have it. That's how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.